How to delete your Hostinger domain 2026. In this video, I'll show you how to delete a domain on Hostinger and how the process actually works. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Once you're logged in, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Domains. Here, you'll see a list of all domains connected to your account. Find the domain you want to delete and click Manage next to it. Now, it's important to understand this part. Hostinger doesn't instantly delete domains. Instead, you need to turn off auto-renewal. So, once you're on the domain management page, locate the auto-renewal option and disable it. After auto-renewal is turned off, your domain will remain active until the expiration date. Once the domain expires, it will no longer be usable and will be removed from your Hostinger account, which is essentially how the domain gets deleted. You can also do something similar with websites. If your domain is linked to a hosting plan, you can go to Hosting, cancel the plan, and this will also make the domain inactive. And that's how you delete a domain on Hostinger. If this helped, consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tutorials.